In this video we're going to do treble crochet in the front loop. So normally in crochet using both strands is considered one stitch. If you use just the first strand that's closest to you, that's the front loop, and if you use the other one that is away from you, that's the back loop. So today we're going to use the front loop for trebles. So to start a treble, remember that it's chaining of 4. We can't do the treble or the front loop yet. We have to start on the next one. So we wrap the hook twice and I just dig down and just slide up like that and then just finish the treble as normal. And the reason why I'm doing that sliding up instead of across, if I slide across I'm gonna get both stitches, so I just slide up and then just capture the one strand and it does a really cool look. So on the other side a ridge is forming to give some texture to your project. So depending if you use the front loop or the back loop, it can give you some really neat textures and the designer will define that for you, and if you're self-creating you can decide what works for you as well. So we're now worked on the front loop and there is what we have as far as the back, and that's pretty awesome.